My sister, my question is that if time is very important, if money is nothing, so why lots of people under the debt?
Under the
Debt.
people have taking the depth.
Lots of people.
Lots of people.
I can't mention. I can't mention. Listen. जो कर्ज में डूबे
Like both are important. Like if I have to pay.
Firstly which thing?
I don't want to say that ki like here if I have like if money is everything, then why do the richest people commit suicide?
You can never get
So how can you collect money? How can?
You said
Without any utilizing time.
You said utilize the time.
Yeah.
Okay? By
Welcome back to English by Hafiz.
Firstly, I ask question to you. Yes. My sister, my question is that if time is very important, if money is nothing, so why lots of people under the debt?
Under the
Debt. I repeat once again my question.
yeah.
If time is more important and money is nothing, so why lots of people under the debt?
Like money, like my sister, my answer will be like you are saying that if like
Okay. I
Yeah.
again.
again.
If time is more precious, valuable, and you say money is nothing, you say, so why lots of people under the debt? Are you got it?
like you want to
कर्ज में क्यों डूबे रहते हैं लोग? अगर टाइम
If time is important, so why lots of people under the debt? So you think and give the answer.
You have to make here solution.
some solutions you have to make.
What is the reason?
Yes.
like if any person use their time and if any person use their time and utilize their time, then they haven't need to take
My question is not that. My question is that if time is important, so why lots of people, we can saw many times lots of people are under the debt. Listen, my sister, why? I elaborate our question.
Yeah.
Why? Because of they want to marry off our sister, so they haven't money, so they take a debt. So my
because they not utilize their time in a
my sister, no,
in a
just-
long time. That's why they're facing problem.
Just listen to me. My question is not you what you want give an answer. It's not my answer. You give my answer crystal clear. Firstly, listen to me. If time is more precious, valuable, and you say money is nothing, so why? My question is that why? Why lots of people under the debt?
If any person take depth, then that person they don't they don't utilize and invest their time in a right way. That's why they're facing a lot of problem.
Okay.
And they take depth.
Okay, listen. Your answer is clear?
Yeah.
Listen my question.
Yeah.
You say whose person are under the debt, who is not utilize the time.
Yeah.
This is my sister. Lots of people utilize a lot of time. There lots of people are go to abroad for earning money because they are utilize the time. Okay.
Yeah.
But at the end, when the daughter marriage age came, so they take a 2 lakh, 3 lakh debt. Listen, my sister, why? They utilize time, but they don't accumulate the money. You understand my point?
Yeah.
Your answer is not fit for my question.
Yes.
I give another chance to explain your answer.
Here also you should notice if your opponent saying that it is not my answer, then you cannot be agree because they are noticing. So you elaborate, you try to put something rational which can replace your answer, right?
Like if any person doing hard work, but they don't become because if any person they do hard work, but they don't become a famous and they don't become a successful person and they don't accumulate a lot of money for their daughter and sister marriage. So that person is not utilizing their time in a right way, right direction.
I said lots of people utilize the time, but they don't accumulate the money on this time. And how much require means how much.
Like there are so many poor peoples, they also do marriage their daughter and sister, but
You know what? Lots of people. Listen.
It doesn't matter.
You know what? Lots of people have utilized lots of time, but they don't earn lots of money. You know what?
Like there are so many people, they have less money, but they do marriage for their sister to their sister.
You are not understand my question. What I want to say. My question is that you say when they utilize the time, they earn the money. My question is that lots of people utilize the time. Lots of people. If you are not able to give the answer,
I'm able to give your answer.
I'm not agree your answer. If you are able, so
Like
you
your
again
mindset
try.
is,
You again
your
try.
mindset is different and my mindset is different. You see your question in a
Okay, listen, my sister. If you are under the debt,
And in July.
so how can you get right? Buy summon the money and buy summon the time.
Like how can we earn money?
I am not.
to utilize our time.
Listen,
Like,
my sister. Just
like if any person take debt.
Listen to me, my sister. Listen to me. If you are under the debt, okay, how can you get right? Buy summoned money, buy summoned time.
Please listen to me carefully.
Okay.
Don't speak.
Okay.
Like I'm giving your answer. Like if any person take debt and if they pay that debt, they have to earn money. Then they pay
Summoned? Which thing summoned? My question is that
time. Time is
No, my sister. No. Which thing summoned?
what?
You are not understand
Repeat your point.
these words of meaning. Listen, my sister. If you are under the debt, so which things you get right this debt? Buy summoned money and buy summoned time.
You will pay time or you will pay money?
किस
In the debt.
मतलब listen.
पैसा भरोगे कि टाइम भरोगे?
क्या मतलब किससे आप पीछे छुड़ाओगे उस कर्ज जो कर्ज में डूबे हो?
Like both are important. Like if I have to pay.
Firstly which thing?
I don't want to say that ki like here if I have to pay debt, then I also earn money. Then like I also earn money, and how we can earn money by utilizing our time. Then we can pay that debt.
Okay, my sister. You said firstly I utilize our time, then I get rid of this debt.
Yeah.
My question is that which thing you summoned? Are you not able to understand?
Demand. Someone
Which thing you summoned?
मतलब होता बुलाना. This thing you will pay.
Summon मतलब कलेक्ट करना. क्या कलेक्ट करेंगे आप? पैसा या टाइम? अगर आपको उससे डिट्राइट
Like first thing is that if I have to collect money, then I have to.
Firstly you collect money.
No, I'm not saying that firstly I need money. Like if I need money, then I utilize my time, then I can earn.
Okay, listen. You said firstly I utilize our time, then I get rid of this. So why you not think and the firstly when you take the debt? When you take the debt firstly, so why are you not think firstly I utilize our time, then I earn the money? So you don't. So it's not happen to take a debt.
So how can I believe you ki that like any person, if any person take debt,
My sister, you can never get rid of the time. You get right by the money. Without money, you can never get rid
so
of.
how can you collect money? How can?
You said
Without any utilizing time.
You said utilize the time.
Yeah.
Okay? By utilize time, we all collect the money. So why this thing you are not think firstly when you take the debt?
Before taking this.
Because their mentality is wrong. That's why they don't think about that.
Don't be manipulated. Firstly, listen to me. When you take a debt before, why are you not think this? Why utilize our time? Then they don't need to. Then they don't need to take a debt.
You didn't need to take.
So sorry.
I'm giving your question. I'm giving your answer. What you are saying that? Please repeat.
He is asking you कि before taking debt.
Yes.
कर्ज लेने से पहले क्यों नहीं टाइम को आप यूटिलाइज कर ली? क्यों ले ली पैसा?
Like if any person don't think about before taking debt, then that person mentality is wrong.
You know what? When the debate is start, you said everybody utilize the time. You said everybody utilize. Listen, my sister. You said by earning money, firstly utilize the time. When you take the debt, why are you not think that? The answer.
People have taking debt.
Lots of people. I can't mention. Listen, my sister.
You listen.
Listen, my sister. Firstly, listen. I can't give example because lots of people. How I can give example?
Like whose people have take the debt? Who that person is very poor. Because they don't utilize their time. That's why they take debt.
Okay, my sister. Okay, listen.
Yeah.
Who is not taking a debt? Who is rich? right? You say that only poor person take the debt.
Yeah.
So if have money, so they don't take it. So money is a power. Without money, you can never do anything.
How can you say that? How can you earn money? First
Listen.
you think. You tell me.
Listen. You said poor person taking the debt.
Yeah.
You said.
अमीर भी लेते हैं.
So she said poor person. But I said lots of people. I cannot mention anyone. Poor, middle, rich. I can't mention.
अमीर
Okay, very good. Wonderful. You ask question, Muskan. Right. Okay, here is the concept is that, Muskan, you have to answer that people, they are under the debt. There is time matter. You know, bank manager, bank employer, they are also giving 2 years, 3 years. Then people, they are paying EMI monthly. So here is also, bank is also providing 2 years. Because bank knows very well that if I am getting 2 years, then they can provide. They can return my cap. You have to say this one. And even people, they are going under the debt. There is also one point is that people, they are not taking debt in a happiest moment. When even any kind of accident happens, then people take. So happening accident, it is actually unfortunate to you. In a compulsion, people, they are moving toward the tax. If they have, their life is well.
When their
prosperous.
time is bad, they are taking a debt, right?
So accident can happen anytime. This is not matter of the money and time, right?
समय खराब होता तभी debt होता.
Like if money is everything, then why do the richest people commit suicide?
It's a exceptional cases because of ailment, because of pressure, because of
So like you are saying that ki money can solve all the problem. Like if you have money, then you can solve the problem.
You know what, my sister?
So how
Listen,
why you are not solve your mental health?
My sister agreeing in the opinion. Time is nothing. Time is something, but money is everything. She said, "Listen, my sister. If anybody is doing a suicide, it's not a matter about the time and money. It's a one kind of compulsion. That's a mentally torture. That's a one kind of ailment. So it's exceptional cases, my sister.
So if you have
Here, time and money. It's never. Both are not important.
like time, if you spend your time with your family members, and if you have mentally fit, and if you haven't any pressure, tension, then you can solve this problem.
Listen. You know what? Lots of people spend a lot of time with the family member, but you know what? They are mentally disturbed, mentally tortured. So you can't say that if anybody spend a lot of time with the family members, they don't pressure, they don't torture. Okay?
Like there are so many people, they commit suicide because they have a lot of tension. Then if you start saying that,
you know which type of tension. You know. Do you know which type of tension? You don't know which type. And also I don't know. It's not here important money and time. I can't say.
अभी आपको यहाँ काट दिया इन्होंने. क्या तुम जानती आप ये पूछ रही थी? क्या सबकी प्रॉब्लम तुम जानती हो? तुम लोग लेते तुमको भी काटना चाहिए था. You know all the problem of people. वहाँ सबको देखो काट के खत्म कर दे रही हैं. आप लोग काटा नहीं. तुम जानती हो सब क्यों लोन ले रहे हैं?
Okay, do you know everybody?
जवाब हो गई हो. आपने काटा नहीं वहाँ पे. मैं देवी चुप हो जाऊँ.
Like speak loudly.
If money is solution of all problem, why people are doing?
No. She asked.
if money solve every problem, then why do the people, richest people, I say richest people, if they have a lot of money, then why they do commit suicide?
Don't mention here richest and poor. Listen, my sister. I can't mention any people who is doing a suicide.
So you can't mention. I mention Sushant Singh Rajput, then celebrity.
If your question is complete, and then listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me. Here lots of people doing a suicide. We all are, and I and you don't know which is problem. They are mentally tortured. You know she is doing a
Like if any person.
My sister, listen. You know she and he doing a suicide by the pressure of money. You know, never.
I'm not saying the pressure of money.
So here both are not come. Money and time both are never came.
Like if you are saying that money solve every problem, then why you don't solve?
I said exceptional case. Why are you not understand my point? What I want to say?
Every month everyone listen, everyone heard ki that person commits suicide. Like if any person commits suicide, they have
everybody listen. You listen. Everybody doing a suicide. But you listen. Buy the money. You listen.
Buy the money what? I'm not saying that buy the money.
Why you asked me question why people are doing a suicide if money is important, if money is everything. If anybody is doing a suicide, it's not a purpose to that because of money they are doing a suicide. If any case, if another case, if any type of ailment, so they are doing a suicide.
If any type of
Ailment, if any type of ailment, if any type of another operation, if money is not came here, if money is not indulged in the society, so how can you say lots of people doing a suicide by the money? How? My sister, my answer is crystal clear. It's your misconception. You are not understand my question and my answer.
I have you another question.
Thank you, sir.